How to read books on your iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Books application on your phone. The Books app is used for reading, organizing, and discovering ebooks, audiobooks, and PDFs. It allows users to read purchased or downloaded content, customize the reading experience with different fonts and themes, and manage a personal digital library. Once you're here, tap on Get Started below. Tap on Continue. You will then be taken to the Books homepage where you can view all the available books to read. On this page, select the book you want to read and tap on it to open. Here, tap on Get. Double-click the side button to confirm. After downloading, tap on the Read to start reading the book. Following these steps, you can easily read books on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.